All right, this is my daughter's 2017 Hyundai Elantra SE. It's a base model. She was telling me that she needs new windshield wipers. So these are very good wipers. They're BOSCH icons. There's a twin pack on Amazon where they'll sell you both of them together for a slightly discounted price. There's a link to that in the description. So there's a 26-inch one for the driver's side, 16-inch for the passenger side. So we're going to change these wipers out right now. Okay, so what you do on these is you bend the wiper like this. Then if you'll come around the back side here, there's a kind of a release pin right here that we're gonna push that way. And then it allows it to slide back on this arm. So while we hold up, we just push it back and it's gonna let it just pop right off of there. So there's our old one. Now we're gonna take our new one. And this one, we're just gonna grab this right here and pull that up like that. Okay. Okay. So you're putting the wiper through this access hole, and then you kind of tilt your wiper where there's a gap where you can just push that metal piece over the rounded portion, and then you just lock it in place by closing. And that one is done. So that's the driver's side. So now we're going to go over to the passenger side. Same thing. We're gonna tilt our wiper a little bit till we find the little lever on the back side that allows us to slide the wiper off back this way. And then I just got to get it out. I'm gonna take my new wiper. Again, on these have a little clip where you just grab it, pull it up like that. This is the rounded portion that we're wanting to slide that over and see how it pivots. So when I put it on there, I'm going to pivot it where I have some clearance to get the rest of the wiper. So it's going to end up going on like this. So I need to slide it through here. You can get a good shot of it here. So I pivot it where I have room to guide that bar over the rounded portion like that. Get it all snug like that, and then that snaps back on. So now we're done. So our wipers are changed. I'll put a link in the description to those wiper blades. No tools needed.